Thanks very much for staying with us. Let's get you a quick EbixCash news alert coming in, where the centre has told the Delhi High Court that a notice that has been issued to WhatsApp to respond to its questions regarding its new privacy policy of the application. The government has asked the High Court to defer the hearing in the matter until a reply that has been sought from WhatsApp itself. Nalini is getting us a quick update because Nalini, the plea had said that the new norms, which are mandatory for the users to accept, also jeopardizes national security by sharing, transmitting and storing of the users' data in some other country. What are the details that you can share with us? What's happening in the Delhi High Court?
Yes, this sort of plea was filed in the Delhi High Court, basically challenging the new privacy policy that was brought into place by WhatsApp. And in that regard, the central government has assured the Delhi High Court during the hearing today that they're looking into the matter, and to the extent that a notice has been issued to WhatsApp, and the central government is currently waiting for the responses to the questions that have been asked by the government by WhatsApp on various aspects of this new privacy policy. So what the government has asked the Delhi High Court is to defer the hearing until and unless the reply is received to the government by WhatsApp, and then take up the matter for hearing depending on what the response is. But at the same time, we have assured the Delhi High Court that they're looking into the matter, that this is an important concern for them, and they're going to ensure that WhatsApp responds to all of the questions raised by the government appropriately. And then the same will also be communicated to the Delhi High Court in the next date of hearing. So we'll have to wait and see exactly what happens with regard to that and what kind of response is received by the government of WhatsApp.
Nalini, thanks very much for the update. Where data protection bill is also that is being discussed. What WhatsApp has been asked to respond to the government on the privacy policy that has been offered to European users but not given to Indian users. This is a differential treatment that has caused a concern for the government. We'll continue updating our viewers. It was a quick EbixCash news alert. Let's get you the COVID update so far across the nation.